Right.
So I would love for you to give, a nice solid breakdown of Snapchat, man.
I
know you got it.
Let's talk about Snapchat. We got like 6 minutes left, right? Snapchat earnings Thursday after the bell. Snapchat loves to report on a Thursday, so anybody who trades short-term options know that when you're buying short-term options, the expiration, more likely than not, 99% of the time, the contracts expire on a Friday, right? So Snapchat likes to report on a Thursday, right before the close. Right after the close, right?
Yeah.
So now you have options that are going to be dirt cheap on Thursday, right? The implied volatility move on Snapchat is 11%. So that means Snapchat's going to move like $1.50, like $1.50 up or down. And chances are it's probably going to move 20% or more. Don't quote me on it, but if it happens, you can be like, yo, he said it again, right? So Snapchat has this situation, right, where, it's a good company. Evan Spiegel, good CEO, But the problem is with Snapchat is that they don't know how to monetize this freaking platform.
Because they got a market cap, like $20 billion?
Yeah, $22 billion market cap. I mean, make a long story short, the big story about Snapchat is they suck at monetization, right? The revenue is about $1.2 billion a quarter, right? But they have 430 million active users. So when you break that down per user, they're only making $2.79 per user every quarter. Like, you're telling me you have 430 million users on the platform and you can't even get $3 out of them every quarter? Like, no, this shit has to stop.
What would you say?
Like, it's ridiculous. Well, like, if you really look at it, right? Snapchat is down on the month 16%. On the 6 month, same 16%, but on the year it's up 18%, right? I love the company, I do. Right now it's around 13ish. 52-week high is 1790. The all-time high is 8311, right? The two issues that Snapchat has is there's no way of sending money on Snapchat. Like, there's no Snapchat Cash. They took that off in 2018. Like, Evan Spiegel needs to create a way where we can Venmo or Cash App people. So it's like, hey, like, Evan, it's time to do like a partnership with PayPal or Square. Like, we want to send money on Snapchat to our friends. That's what we want to do. And then Snapchat Premium, right? Snapchat Premium, poured to Evan because that was like a way of him monetizing the platform, right? So the numbers are in, I have them, right? $3.99 per month, $21.99 for 6 months, and $39.99 yearly, right? So as of February 6th, according to CNBC, they have 7 million subscribers, right? 7 million subscribers.
Out of the 400.
So they're making what, $30 million a month off this? $90 million a quarter off of Snapchat Premium.
What would your message
be?
What would your message be to Evan to make more money? I know you got something.
Yeah. Of course. But it's like $90 million. Like, that's all you're generating on Snapchat.
And
on the active users. And then like the other 1.1 billion, it's ads and everything else that he has on the platform. But make a long story short, he has to figure out a way to create like either create a money platform or partnership with Venmo or Cash App so people can send money. And then you can charge a merchant fee, or you can charge the 1.5% that Cash App charges, whatever. Like, monetize that. Like, give us a way to send money on Snapchat. That's one. And then two, I mean, this might be unpopular opinion and stuff like that, but I think it'd be an easy way for them to monetize Snapchat immediately. It's like, maybe the Snapchat Premium is like a good start, and maybe that's something that grows. But I think if they actually charge for Snapchat, like, charge like $1 a month or like $10 a year, like, you know what I mean? That'd be cool. Tinder charges you like $200-$300, and you're still not gonna get no dates.
No guarantee of dates, right?
There's no guarantee of
dates. Think
date.
about how many people are on Snapchat that have like, chicks they talk to, or girls have dudes they talk to, and if you were like, hey, you got to pay $1 a month or you're losing this.
Well, I mean, look, we did the math.
Leave?
I mean, we did the math. If there's 430 million active users, right? And Evan Spiegel charges $1 a month to use the platform, right? That'll generate an additional $1.2 billion per quarter. That immediately take his revenue stream from $1.2 billion to $2.4 billion.
You hearing
this? 100% increase. I'm not saying that's what he's gonna do. What I'm saying is that's a pretty cool idea to charge everybody $1, right? I'm
Man,
just saying,
not bad.
I would pay it in a heartbeat, you know, as a premium person, you know, I'm gonna pay the $1, right?
Yeah.
And then the premium's what, $3.99. I think that's good, but it's like people are not really gravitating to that premium as fast as they should, because you have 7 million subscribers on premium. There's 430 million active users.
Literally though.
So it's like that's less than 2%. Less than 2% of active users have premium.
And if you paid for premium, you wouldn't even have to pay for the $1. The premium would get you the access to the app.
Yeah. Like,
so that way you just be where you're at.
Exactly. I think at some point, like, Snapchat has to do one or two things. Because, you know, as a long-term Snapchat investor, you know, I'm getting a little frustrated with the stock, but you know what? I'm not letting it go. If like, Snapchat to me is like AMC to Roaring Kitty, or GameStop to Roaring Kitty.
Yeah,
like, he's probably like, he's not gonna let go of his GameStop, right? I'm not letting go of Snapchat. So I think there's two things Evan can do. He can either do a potential partnership with Venmo and Cash App. You know, Venmo is PayPal and Cash App is Square. Do a partnership with that where we can send money peer to peer. That'd be really cool stuff, because people are using Snapchat every day, and or charge people $1 a month for the platform.
I think
Period.
It's great, man.
Like, yeah, like I think it's a great
idea.
We as Snapchat investors, we need better revenue streams. We need them. We need them immediately.
At the end of the day, he's the billionaire, you know, so
yeah,
shout out to him. But,
yeah, like,
you know,
multi-billionaire company, like multi-billion-dollar guy, very smart guy, went to a very good school, you know, created a beautiful platform. I love it. I use it every day. But
the earnings are after the bell.
We need monetization on the platform already.
Yeah.
And like we need some sort of peer-to-peer cash system on Snapchat. Because if I want to send one of my friends $10, $20, $30, hey, let me send it to him and charge me 50 cents, charge me $1, charge me something. Like, let's monetize these active users.
Yeah, I mean.
But yeah, Snapchat after the bell tomorrow, man.
Hope they do it.
Yeah, Snapchat, we're gonna be playing 70-30 and we're betting on the calls. But I tell you this, everything is cheap. All the options are cheap. So if you're in the Discord, we're gonna set it up for you and we're gonna attack. So it's time to go.
Peace.